The Belkin HDMI to DisplayPort adapter is a handy tool. It acts like a translator. It connects newer screens to older computers. Specifically, it links a DisplayPort 1.2 computer to an HDMI 2.0 display. This adapter is really useful. It supports stunning 4K resolution at 60 frames per second. Also, it handles HDR and HDR10 content. Therefore, your movies and games will look amazing. You can use it with many devices. These include monitors, projectors, and HDTVs. However, remember this: it's a one-way street. The connection goes from DisplayPort to HDMI. So, it's perfect for upgrading your display without replacing your computer. Furthermore, this Belkin HDMI to DisplayPort adapter is quite versatile. Imagine it as a bridge. It connects your PC to a vibrant 4K TV. You can enjoy crisp visuals. Also, you can experience vivid colors. This converter ensures smooth video playback. Even demanding content looks great. It handles high-resolution gaming well. Plus, it's ideal for professional presentations. The adapter provides a reliable signal. Consequently, you avoid frustrating flickering. It's a simple plug-and-play device. No extra drivers are needed. You just connect it, then your display comes to life. In conclusion, the Belkin HDMI to DisplayPort adapter offers great value. It's a small but mighty accessory. It truly enhances your viewing experience. Moreover, it saves you money. You don't need a new graphics card. Instead, you use this adapter. It's very user-friendly. Even an 8th grader can set it up. Therefore, it's a smart purchase. It ensures compatibility. Ultimately, it brings your older devices into the future. This Belkin HDMI to DisplayPort adapter is a winner. Pros: works as advertised, no noticeable delay, perfect adapter, picture is great for normal work. Great replacement that works. No fuss nor muss. Well built, works without problem, can't go wrong with Belkin, works great converting DVI. Decent quality adapter, works fine with 4K monitor features. HDMI to DisplayPort adapter, converts DisplayPort to HDMI, supports 4K resolution 60 frames per second, FPS. Compatible with HDR, supports HDR10, connects to monitors, connects to projectors, connects to HDTVs, unidirectional cable. The Belkin HDMI to DisplayPort adapter changes a DisplayPort signal into an HDMI signal. It works with 4K screens at 60 frames per second and supports HDR and HDR10, which make colors look better. You can use it to connect devices with DisplayPort to monitors, projectors, or HDTVs that have an HDMI input. This cable only works in one direction, from DisplayPort to HDMI. The Belkin HDMI to DisplayPort adapter is a reliable and easy-to-use converter that lets you connect devices with DisplayPort 1.2 to HDMI 2.0 monitors, projectors, or HDTVs. It supports high-quality video, including 4K at 60 frames per second, HDR, and HDR10, with no noticeable delay. Users have found it to be a well-built and effective solution for their display needs, even working well for converting DVI signals.